Papa Joe.
My very good friend. Apply to one, they doing this thing. Very good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to finish. Can't you look? My
I
friend.
what again now? Good afternoon, sir. Mother greet.
Look at me. She's doing.
Is she your daughter?
She's my daughter. Always greet people. If you see me greet, you greet. If I don't greet, you greet.
Hey, Papa Joe, things should be done in a tactical manner. Things like this should be done at home.
Hey, school petenya.
Charity begins at home, Papa Joe. Train your daughter how to greet at home, not in the streets.
No problem. You have a point.
Of course. Is it now you want to start correcting her and informing embarrassment? Train your daughter well.
See, let's go home.
Oh, greet. Mother greet.
It's only how to eat.
I bet
Eat
me I'm
that you know.
tired.